Welcome to 10th class Physical Science digital online classes. Today's topic electromagnetic spectrum, visible spectrum and Max Planck's proposal. I am RP sir, Physical Science faculty. Let us learn about electromagnetic spectrum. In figure you may see electromagnetic waves can have a wide variety of frequencies, wavelengths. The entire range of electromagnetic waves, frequencies or wavelengths is called electromagnetic spectrum. Electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum consists of a continuous range of wavelengths of gamma rays at the shorter wavelength to the radio waves at the longer wavelength. But our eye is sensitive only to visible light. Only to visible light. Now let us learn about visible light and visible spectrum. The familiar example of the visible spectrum in nature is the formation of rainbow. Each color in a rainbow is characterized by a specified wavelength from red to violet. As we know, red has higher wavelength, violet color has shorter wavelength. These colors that the human naked eye is sensitive to us is called visible light. The range of wavelength covering from red color to violet color is called visible spectrum. Let us learn about Max Planck proposal. When you heat an iron rod, some of the heat energy is emitted as light. First it turns into red. Red light has lower energy corresponding to lower frequency, and as the temperature rises it glows orange, yellow, blue of higher energy and of higher frequency, or even white, all visible frequencies if the temperature is high enough. When the temperature is high enough, other color will also be emitted, but due to higher intensity of one particular color, say red, other colors cannot be observed. With this, Max Planck broke the continuous energy tradition of electromagnetic energy by assuming that energy is always emitted and observed in multiples of h nu. For example, the energy emitted or observed as h nu or 2h nu or 3h nu and so on nh nu. That is the energy for certain frequency. E can be represented by the equation E equals to h nu, where h is Planck's constant whose value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joule second, and nu is frequency of radiation observed or emitted. Finally, the energy for the red color, higher wavelength or lower frequency is lower compared to the energy of blue color, lower wavelength or higher frequency, so that hot iron rod first it turns into red. The energy emitted from a material body increases with increase in heat energy. The significance of Planck's proposal is that electromagnetic energy can be gained or lost in discrete values and not in a continuous manner. Hence, the emission or absorption of light spectrum is a collection of group of wavelengths. Variety of colors is seen from fireworks because each element emits its own characteristic color.